Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Vlogmas Day 3. It's officially December.
Hey Google.
Sorry. It's officially December, and we were out late last night, so we're tired and lazy today. I'll probably do a little bit of cleaning and getting ready for this snowstorm. It's supposed to happen later today, so we will see what happens with that. But yeah, we're pretty much just hanging out at home, doing nothing but relaxing, having a lazy Sunday. So yeah, we'll see what happens with the storm later.
This fabulous drink, and you're having some guests that actually don't drink alcohol too, because the syrup and the grapefruit seltzer really good on their own. The opening rosé.
The snow has begun. It is, what time is it? 12:20. So it's been a half an hour and it's definitely sticking. Here we go. Well, it's a good thing that I stepped outside because I have packages. My Black Friday packages have already arrived. Okay, you guys, so since we're getting all of this snow, look out the window. I am going to, Matt's watching football, and I'm going to rearrange and clean out this closet. Here, let me show you. It's a little dark in here. It just has lots of, back there is lots of Christmas bags, birthday bags, stuff like that. There's a box down here of holiday stuff, extra blankets and whatnot. This is where we hang our coats. So yeah, I'm gonna do this. I got it done. I went through all of my bags, restacked them up, found a few holiday ones that I'm going to leave out to possibly use for presents, and put my printer back in here. So yeah, all the holiday stuff is organized. Okay. This guy's out here in shorts. Crazy. Pito is excited about snow. Do you love it, Pa? Do you love it, baby? Pito. Hi, snow baby. Hi, snow baby. Oh, you guys, it is a snowstorm for sure. I'm just gonna be lounging around. We just did our first shovel and cleaning off our cars, and now Pito is having some playtime for a little bit, and then I might go make some hot chocolate. He's just laying down in the snow. Great. Alright guys, I'm just gonna end this vlog here. It is about 4 p.m. and we have so much snow already. We're just gonna be relaxing and shoveling a whole lot and cleaning up our cars a whole lot. We're supposed to get anywhere between 12 to 18 inches, so was just a snowstorm day. Alright guys, thanks for watching.